start. However, on appreciation of evidence led in the case, the division bench of the High Court held that we also do not find any evidence that the wife has been treated with cruelty by the husband. Stop. We are also of the view that there is no evidence that petitioner is deserted. Stop. From the evidence on record and the statements made in the written statement, it is reasonable to come into conclusion that from the very inception of the marriage ceremony, the wife started disapproving the staying husband's parents and brothers at the matrimonial home. Stop. And she also asked the husband to take a quarter at stop. Indian society is different from the Western society. Stop. In Indian society, sons usually stay with their parents and established son is also responsible to look after his old parents. Stop. The husband, being a class 1 government officer, was fully established and being a responsible officer, he was aware of his responsibilities towards his parents. Stop. Therefore, when the wife asked him to shift to a flat at Brasat, meaning thereby to get himself separated from the parents and brothers, it amounts to cruelty towards the husband. Stop. It further appears on the evidence on record that the wife was rude in behavior and used abusive language towards the husband and the members of his family, and she remained confined in a bedroom without taking any part in the matter of any household work. Stop. It is true that it takes some time for a bride to settle down in her matrimonial home, but there must be an attempt on her part to settle down. Stop. The husband also expects that his newly wedded wife will behave properly with the members of his family and pay respect to his parents unless there is any extraordinary circumstances compelling the husband to expect otherwise. Stop. In the instant case, there is no evidence of such extraordinary situation and circumstances. Stop. Therefore, the attitude of the wife towards the husband's parents and the family members amounts to cruelty towards the husband. Stop. Especially when they are living jointly under the same roof and in a some mess. Stop. In the letters written by the wife, which are exhibits 1b and 1d, she treated the husband with rude contempt and hatred. Stop. The relevant portions from those letters are quoted here in below. Stop. If this gives you so much of pleasure, there is no justification in your getting married and ruining another person's life. Stop. Here everybody wants